Installation and use demonstration. Proper use of the product can make the water purifier produce better effect. When it is first used, remove the top cover first. Take out the upper barrel and then fetch out the filter element. The end with the ring pull is put downward. The end with a small hole is put upward. Immerse it sideways into water. Then you can clearly see that a lot of bubbles pour out from the bottom of the filter element. Wait until the air in the UF hydrophilic membrane hole is exhausted. Then, immerse the filter element in the clear water for 5 to 10 minutes, allowing the filter material in the filter element to be soaked with water. Then gently shake the filter element. After washing several times by putting it under a faucet, the filter element is placed upright in a standing way according to the assembly direction. Put the removed lower bucket and the upper barrel in the clear water to clean and remove impurities and dust in the barrel. Manually assemble the silicone ring seal onto the filter element. Special attention should be paid to make sure that the silicone seals is properly installed in the small slot on the upper part of the filter element. And then install correctly the filter element in the filter element assembly hole on the upper bucket of the purifier. Press down with gentle force so as to ensure effective sealing of the silicone ring seal. Put the lid onto the purifier and press the upper lid down with your fingers. Use your fingers to gently press the LCD counter power start button for 3 seconds to power on the display. Then press it for 8 seconds to recover counting time. LCD counter will show 4 LCD bars and such words as 60 days. After installation, you can open the dust cover of the upper lid of the purifier, inject into the tap water, and use the purifier normally. The first time you use the purifier, the first or the second filtered water is not suitable for drinking. You can judge the purifying effect by visual inspection and the transparency of the purified water. Whether the water purifier is in normal use or not, the state of the LCD counter is in automatic counting state. If one is in a business trip or it is in a standby state, the counter is working properly. So the LCD counter only plays the role of filter element replacement reminder and cannot accurately draw the attention of the user to replace the filter element. When you first use the filter element, if the air in the hydrophilic membrane filaments is not drained, or bubbles agglutination is found at the bottom of the filter, or the air enters into the membrane filaments when the purifier is in a standby state, then the flow of the filtered water will be affected. If any of the above mentioned occurs, you can grasp the purifier with water inside and gently tap its bottom against the desktop. Then you will see bubbles coming out from the bottom or top of the filter element. Keep tapping until there is little or no bubbles emerging. The actual amount of water filtered by the filter element varies with your local water conditions, as water quality conditions in different regions and TDS values determine the actual amount of water filtered by the filter element. When the water flow is reduced, please remove the filter element timely. Soak it in the clean water for several minutes, gently shake it for a while, and then reverse it according to the assembling direction of the filter element. Rinse the filter element under the faucet for 2 to 3 minutes. Then assemble it for continual use. Before the experiment begins, the following preparation shall be made. 1 Tiens water purifier and 2 250 milliliter beakers respectively labeled as Beaker A and Beaker B. 1 bottle of OT reagent, otolidine. When the preparation is ready, start the experiment. Take 500 milliliters of tap water, 150 milliliters of which will be poured into Beaker A. All the remaining water is poured into Tiens water purifier for filter.